how to remove age restrictions on Steam. So here I've just opened up the Steam application, and what we want to do is click on Steam in the top left corner, and here we will just go to settings. Now from the settings tab we want to go to family, and then we will manage the family view here. So click on manage, and it will load up this page which will ask us for our PIN. Click on OK, and we will have an option to disable family view. Now if we click on disable family view, then it will tell us it will remove the button from the top of the Steam page window, which is this one. Family view can be re-enabled later from the account details page. What that means is that we can just enable it from the same page that we disable it from. But once we disable family view, then this will remove age restrictions for our account. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.